guys, welcome back to my channel. You would not believe what I have been able to do. I have, actually you can, because you have seen the title, haven't you? Somehow that intro sounded very fun and smart in my head. Anyway, I have been able to find a Sarojini Nagar substitute in London. So I'm just going to thrift store and I am going to look for some amazing pieces if I can. Now, there are many thrift stores around London जिनमें ज़्यादातर तेरा company rejects या फिर second hand कपड़े होते हैं charity वाले, just like what you would find in Sarojini Nagar. And I have found one which is very near to my place. It is East London Thrift Store and it is like one of the popular ones. इतना popular कि उनकी अपनी एक website है जहाँ पे आप उनके कपड़े online भी खरीद सकते हो. Imagine having online store for Sarojini, so something like that. Anyway, so for this one, I have to take a DLR from near my place, and which would take about 15 minutes, and uske baad there's a walking distance of 16 minutes. Now that is something which scares me because I am so geographically challenged. So wish me luck for that. And also, this is I think my third try to vlog in public. Iske pehle bhi I have tried कि मैं आपको लंदन ज़्यादा और दिखाऊं. But I guess I get so nervous and awkward and shy of using camera in public that I end up not doing it. So let's hope this time that does not happen and I am able to show you what thrift stores in London are like. These are all the things that I got from the thrift store. Now please do not be disappointed with the color scheme. I know it looks all black and boring because my mom sure was disappointed when she saw what I brought, but that is who I am. I don't know how to do colors. I mean, if you would see my wardrobe, I think I have the most boring uncle log wala wardrobe ever because the colors I wear are like black, blue, grey, white, cream, ब्राउन. यही है मेरा कलर स्कीम, तो उधर भी मुझे यही पसंद आया. बट all in all, if I had to say my experience in one sentence, it was amazing. I mean, this was a side of London which you don't really expect to see. You don't even think about that sort of place. So going there, seeing what it is like, meeting the people, it was a wonderful experience. Like genuinely very nice experience. The thrift store, it's a huge one, very well maintained. The entire store is divided into 3 sections. In one section on the first floor, they have clothes which they call new clothes, but I think they're like refurbished clothes. But these are, they have like branded stuff, like really have put everything brand wise, color scheme wise, and it's amazing. And on the ground floor, they have again divided everything into 2 sections. Inside the store, they have clothes ranging from everything to everything. Like you name an item and they have it. They have activewear, they have outdoor jackets, they have cardigans, skirts, trousers, everything. Like they have everything, and this can range somewhere between £5 to 20-25 pounds. And then outside the store, they have these items which are on hangers, and all these items are for 50 pence. That is what, like 40 something rupees. Like 2 of the items here I actually got for 50 pence, and I'll show you very quickly. These are like good items. Of course, you will have to dig in deeper. Aapko dhoondna padega. Just like the way it works in Sarojini, you would have to find that item, like, you know, the good ones and the one that suits your taste. If you are okay with wearing clothes from thrift store, you would definitely find something for yourself. So without further ado, let me quickly try these on for you and show you what these clothes are like. The first one and my favorite one from the entire lot is this sweatshirt by Adidas, and I absolutely love this. At the price that I got it for, I think it was an absolute steal. I got this for £15 and it was with a tag. I removed the tag when I brought it home. And I think at this price it is an absolute steal. I mean, I love it, and I am not kidding you. Ever since I've got this, I have been living in this. I have worn this so many times, because now that we are at home and it's loungewear all the time, right? And especially with the kind of fit it has this loose fit. I love this. I absolutely love this, and it is super warm. It has this dual texture thing going on, so the texture over here on the bodies is different than what it is on the arms, and then inside it has fleece, and it is from this edition Climber Warm kind of chain from Adidas, so it is very warm. So for London weather it is perfect. So this is the second one that I got, and I have been wanting to have a color block sweater since so long, but I wasn't sure what it would look like on me. And because this one was available for, wait for it, 50 pence, therefore I was like, okay, I got to buy this and I need to check out what color block looks like on me, and especially because of the color scheme of this one. I mean, these colors were made for me. Blue, good. White, good. Black, good. What is not to like? So yeah, so which is why, I mean, initially first I thought that I would probably use it again to, you know, just to wear at home, and I would pair it with a pair of leggings and it would be like, you know, just to chill at home. But then I paired it with white trousers and it looked surprisingly pretty good with that too. I mean, it lifted up the entire outfit. This is by some Korean brand. I've never heard of it. And I've forgotten the name of the brand. I'll mention it here, what the name of the brand was. But yeah, I mean, for 50 pence, I think it is wonderful. The texture it has, so it has this woolen blend, and it has this horizontal ribbed kind of situation over here, and then the arms are plain, and then again the sleeves over here, I like the way the sleeves end, and the crew neck. So, and now finally to the one that probably kept you hooked in this video until now. So this is the one that is by H&M, and this one I got for 50 pence, which is like 40 something, and it is in A quality. I mean, I don't know why it was in the thrift store. I mean, I didn't find anything wrong with it. It is again very warm, and especially the fit of this one, it is so good. I mean, I can use it as a loungewear and lay in this one around in the house, and I think I can pair it with some like blue jeans or something like that, and it can definitely be worn out as well. So it's a very nice pullover. Again, absolutely my style. I love crew neck. I love this kind of neck, and the sleeves, like the sleeves have my heart. The way the sleeves fit and where they end, this is absolutely amazing. And I mean, it feels like it's been made for me. So I really like this. I really like this. The texture and everything, I love it. Now, so why I went to thrift store? One, for experience, of course, and second, I am a huge advocate of repeating clothes. I mean, especially now, because of all these fast fashion products like polyester, etc. being used, I know it is very easy and it's very cheap to get new clothes. I mean, clothes are cheaper than ever. But that also harms the environment, and if in such thrift stores you can get branded stuff, good stuff, and you're saving the environment as well. I know I am kind of sounding preachy, and I do not want to sound preachy. I hate when anybody else sounds preachy, but just think about it, just a food for thought. So if in these thrift stores getting such clothes, you're getting great clothes at good deals, and you're also helping the environment, what's the harm? It's a win-win. So that is it. That is where I'll end the video today, and I hope be able to be more regular now on. And yeah, so make sure you show some love on this video, and if you like it, do drop a comment, like the video, share it, and it would mean so much if you could subscribe this channel. It's a new channel. I know we have been growing at a speed which I did not expect, and I'll be very honest with you, but the motivation that you guys have been offering me, the comments you have been leaving, the DMs that I have been getting, they keep me going. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Until then, take care of yourself and be nice to each other. Bye.